Also you should go to a cubicle place your the restaurant is only for restaurant. We can do.
Whoever has added restaurant, they should have.
Beside of website of last day Sunday.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, 15,
Yeah, only survey.
Yeah, survey.
Yeah, land space infrastructure. Correct only. It should come under infrastructure.
Yes.
Finance, budget, profit, after software. क्या चाहिए आपको
सर्वे मतलब कस्टमर होता है ना
हाँ कस्टमर
all came up with as a actor is there, right? As a role, so you need to identify,
is the owner of the restaurant here,
right? But you need to identify what roles are there. Whether you are a admin, whether you are a supervisor, right? Whether you are a customer. You think about the role. First, identify the role. Dependency, which follow one. That is called a story mapping. We have not done it limited time. You understand? Now we have identified 16 stories. After that, again story mapping is there. First one, second, third, fourth, you will categorize. Then you put it to bucket. Like we have 4 weeks of time test. You will put it. So this is called a release plan. You are doing it, giving me the release plan of 1 month time. They measure the progress of your, project delivery or your assignment or your task. So to track that one in each and every sprint level or 2 weeks of iteration or 3 weeks of iterations, you should have some mechanism to identify your progress, how you are progressing. Hello, Rajesh.
Always late. Day 1 late, day last day.
This is for you only especially. Yeah?
First day late, last day late. What is it?
So now the burn down and burn off is nothing but the Jira plus Greenhopper tool, EPSweep or Rally tools. There are so many agile project management tools. Every day you need to enter it. You need to move the task. You need to close the story. If all the story is completed, the moment you are movement of that story and task doing that dashboard or electronic dashboard, the graph will reflect. So it's a very important. So Agile says that there are 3 empirical process control. What is empirical process control? Agile says empirical process control is ITA. Remember, this is very, very important. Agile is based on empirical process methodology. Empirical is nothing but ITA, inspections, transparency and adaptations. It's a philosophy, but how inspection will come every day? Say for example, ITA, inspections, transparency and medium, small one, size one, as compared to or the half of the size of the another one you give it. So that's a comparison I am saying. We are not measuring anything. Similarly, story point is not a definitive measure, right? It's just a small idea or assumption that what is the weightage for that one. Again, there are so many criteria we can identify. Say example, complexity, dependency, how hard, how much time it will take, what is the risk associated. On that basis of the story point. So the product backlog contain user stories, right, with story points. Then probably you can think about the breaking those stories into the task during sprint planning meeting. Okay? And now what is the baseline? Makes sense. If I am giving thousands of scenarios for 10, 20, 30 stories without automation, someone should convince him, then you understand, then we raise it actual, whether it's 1, 2 or 3 plus. So 0 means yes, apna jo.
Dashboard.
So what will happen? Again, what is a distributed? What do we mean? Say for example, when the team is not always co-located in your IT scenarios, across the geographically they are distributed. And then we are bringing agility. Say for example, 2 developers are there, managers are there, product owner is there, and then tester it in other locations, right? And that is called as distributed agile. Now, what is the platform? How we have this contain technical user stories, can contain defects, bug, as well as non-functional requirement. Is that clear?
So there's just one document that gives everything. Right?
One document will give everything, correct?
Will it having the technical design also, all those things?
That's what I'm saying. Now, okay, coming back to this, a very nice question. Now, just imagine in the real-time scenario, without TDD and all, how can we work it out, right? Without technical What the scenario? The whole agile runs in the time box concept. Time box says that the moment time expires, your work stops there. Whatever the work you have come. A sprint can be cancelled. In what scenario? Or sprint can be call out, right? Or abnormal terminations will happen. Number one scenario, when the team is blocked by some external dependencies, so that not a single story, remember, not a single story is moving further. It means we are deadlocked. What we are deciding is that different lawyer, for DB lawyer, for the data communication lawyer, for network lawyer, or for any application lawyer to whom we need to contact as a Scrum Master. Today, one Scrum Master, tomorrow might be another Scrum Master will come, but who is the accountable to? Sprint planning meeting is not to define which story we are going to complete within a sprint, rather to define the stories, plus divide the story into the task, plus what is the plan, what is my employment or execution plan, plus what is my test strategy and test plan, plus what is the dependency and impediment or the risk factors. That holds together called as the sprint plan. Scrum Master, you must ensure that your risk register up to date with action items and you are following it every day. It is not like that to maintain in an Excel sheet to give it back to the again into the repository, right? It's a very nice question. Risk register is already there, right? It is part of the during sprint planning.
Okay, and will there be, in case of waterfall, the project manager, ensures that, all the risk register is getting cleared actually. I'm just
Okay.
mapping.
On high priority, which is low priority, right? Remember, the top priorities story is called as fine grain, and the below story is called as coarse grain. Hopefully you all understand this term, so no need to explain. This coarse grain story also called as epics.
You can mix it up and
Now-
come up with a
Better one.
Now let me ask you one thing, what is that we are doing it here? What is that the outcome of this one? This is called as release planning. I am telling you, this is called as release planning. That's what we are doing at the initial before kickoff of this meeting, or during any type of kickoff of the meeting also we can revisit the release planning. Without this plan, will you be able to deliver something? No, right? This is high level plan. Now,